Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
Not Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Cinnsation and their cinnamon liqueur. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Matt, can you tell me a little bit more about this Cinnsation?
I do like this bottle. I found many liqueurs use this kind of this cool, whatever you're going to call this, stair-step bottle.
Ribbed.
But it's got a cool little devil on it. Cinnsation Cinnamon Cream Liqueur. Oh boy. It says, don't fight the temptation. And that's about all you can find out about this bottle. I found out it's made by this company called the Clear Springs Distillery, which apparently was a Jim Beam company, started in 1933. Then it was sold over to Buffalo Trace, Sazerac in 2014, the other one. And that's about it. They make 2 stars, Chestnut Farms, Black Ridge. So they took cinnamon whiskey, added some cream. Yay, that's your history, because there's jack crap about this thing out there. So that's all I could find at all. It's like, well, super. So, I don't know. I think I paid like $10 for this a few years ago, like 5-6 years ago. And then, we're going to check it out and see what we think. So, let's see. It's got this like slight cinnamon, cream, vanilla, caramel, sugar. I don't really smell any whiskey on this, really. It's like real faint.
Cinnamon and spun sugar. Like if you were to make a cotton candy out of cinnamon.
For real. Oh, what? It's like what the hell is it? Like it's like Cinnabon. It's like
okay.
that.
Yeah.
Not quite as like doughy because this thing is only 15%. But yeah, kind of smells like that. It's interesting. I know Cinnabon actually makes
a nutty Cinnabon.
I don't know if I have that or not. I don't think so.
Like a walnut Cinnabon.
Yeah, it does have that nutty.
There's a waxiness to it too.
Very waxy.
Man, it's just so much spun sugar.
Oh, mostly it's sugar. Lots of sugar.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll drink 5 ounces of this one too while we're at it. Most ridiculous thing I've ever seen.
I can't imagine drinking an ounce of that.
No, I mean, no. Over ice, maybe. I don't. Still, an ounce seems like a lot, but whatever. Different strokes for different folks.
Oh,
it's not bad. It's actually not as sugary as I thought it'd be on the palate.
No, Matt, me either.
That's actually pretty nice. I mean, the cinnamon is not really. It's really more focused on the vanilla, cream, and caramel. With a little bit of slight cinnamon in there. That's pretty nice, actually.
The cinnamon is just kind of killing the sweetness somehow, though. Here's the cinnamon. The cinnamon's coming in on the finish.
Mm-hmm.
But I think mid-palate and growing, I think the cinnamon was just kind of blocking all of those sugars.
Maybe that's what it does. I don't know. That might be an experiment. We might have to try with some things.
That's very interesting. That's the best cream liqueur that I've had from you for my palate, because I don't enjoy the super sweet.
Right.
This is the most balanced. It actually carries along with it things other than that spun sugar sweetness.
You know what?
I'm going to take a second sip.
Wow. I bet you anything they use Fireball as the base for this, because Sazerac makes Fireball in this. I would not be surprised if Fireball was not the base. It's actually got a pretty nice mouthfeel to it. It's not too thin. It's really 15%. It's shocking that it's got a nice mouthfeel to it. It's pretty good. And like I said, I paid $10 for it, so it's not expensive. Pretty nice.
As far as cream liqueurs go, Matt,
I like it.
That's my top one so far. That's it at least to me, it at least has more going on than just those super sweet flavors that I get out of most creams.
I don't even know if they still make this product.
Of course.
But I know it came from, I think it came from Goody Goody. I think a long time, like I said, several years ago. I don't know. Pretty sure it's Goody Goody, but who knows? Not that it really matters, but it's pretty tasty. I like it.
Yeah. I could definitely see myself adding it to some coffee. And honestly, if somebody offered that to me at the right point in time, I might just drink that.
Mm-hmm. Wow. That's a lot to say for him.
I know that doesn't seem like a huge compliment to somebody, but When it comes to these liqueur series, we don't find very many that I would say that about.
This is true.
All right. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Join us next time on the next liqueur series that we do.
Mhm.
Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not bad. I like it. We're done. We'll come back for round two.
I like that better than the Dickel blend that I have.